Transfers HD-SDI video signals over RG6 digital video coaxial cable. Connector AB. True 75 ohm BNC Male connectors handle 3 gigabits per second bandwidth. RG6 digital spec coaxial cable, dual copper and aluminum shielding. 18 Aruban fluorines pure copper conductor. 75 ohm impedance, diameter 0.303 inches, 100% sweep tested. Monoprice's Viper Series HD-SDI RG6 cable is a precision serial digital video coaxial cable for transmit HD-SDI video signals used in professional broadcast applications. The cable is a BNC-terminated, high-performance RG6 coaxial cable with dual aluminum and copper braided shields, making the cable flexible and strong. It is great for use in HD serial digital video transfer, mobile apps, HDTV upgrades, broadband facilities, and other applications with HD-SDI video. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. Using my HDMI adapters at both ends to transmit my video signal to almost 50 away. This SDI cable worked excellently.